Hi, this is Laura Scheel with EXP Realty, and today I want to talk about why now is a good time to buy a home. If you have been putting it off, thinking it's either not right for you, you don't have enough down payment, you don't meet the qualifications, or you aren't sure how to get started, let me share with you a couple things that will maybe help change your mind that now might be a great time to buy your first home, second home, third home, whichever home you're on. Now is a great time. First is lending. So there are many low down payment programs that are available, and they keep changing requirements for your credit score and how much money you need to have down. So if you thought you couldn't buy a home, you might actually be able to. So reach out to me and I will put you in touch with a great lender that will be able to get you approved for that house. Another thing is I do have a couple lender friends who are currently waiving fees through the end of the year. So for FHA buyers or VA buyers, they're waiving their lender fees through the end of the year. So I can put you in touch with that lender. I have a couple different ones that are great. So if one lender doesn't work for you, you need to talk to a couple different ones because somebody will have a program for you. The next reason why now is a great time to buy is because interest rates are going up. So you might have heard or been watching that they are slowly going up over time, but they're going to continue to rise. So there's no better time than now to get that interest rate locked in for your purchase. So now is great. The last thing I want to talk about is the market. The market is still a seller's market, meaning that prices are really good for sellers. They're getting a good amount of money for their home. And the demand is still high, inventory is low. What we're seeing now, though, is that it is starting to slow down a little bit, meaning that we're still getting good, solid prices, so we're not seeing lowball offers. We're still seeing close to asking price or asking price, but there's a lot less competition. So instead of having to go up against 5, 10 other buyers for the same home, having to write in things like escalator clauses where you're going to pay over asking price. Now we're seeing a little less of that. So maybe 1 or 2 buyers looking at the house instead of 7 or 8 or 9. So less competition is great for you as a buyer because it's going to be a lot easier to get that home of your dreams. So I'm there to walk you through all of this. So we can sit down and have a cup of coffee and I can kind of explain the process, put you in touch with the right lenders based on what you need and where you're at right now. And let's get out there looking. It's so exciting and so much fun, and we hope to be your partner in this process. Thanks again for watching. Laura Scheel with EXP Realty, and hope to meet with you soon. Bye.